Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kaylee, back again with another tutorial. So if you'd like to see more tutorials and like to see more of me with different looks on, you could DM me different looks and I will definitely try those out. I'm gonna pin that back. So for my eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. pomade. This is the Lock-On liner and brow cream. This is one of my favorite ones for the drugstore. This one works really good and I used a lot of it so far. So to prime my eyelids, I'm going in with this right here. This is the P. Louise base in the shade 2. This is the Rumor shade. And I really like this primer because a little goes a long ways with it. And it's really pigmented, so it leaves a blank canvas for you to work on. And I'm just dotting a little bit on myself. Okay, so for this, I'm just blending it out with a BH Cosmetics blending brush. This is the BH number 5 brush. And if you hear how loud noise, that's Francis. That's one of my best friends. I only have 2, okay? So...
me and Giselle.
Yep. How many do you have?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Probably like you, Emily, Ricardo. You wish that was yours.
What? Okay, so then I'm just going to be taking this Morphe brush and then I'm taking the 35H. This is a really pretty palette with a lot of neutrals. And it has a lot of warm tones, reds, and blues. And that's why I really like this palette, because of the variety of the color that it has. And then I'm taking this peachy shade right here. I don't know the name of it, because I'm pretty sure it came with the sleeve, but I'm pretty sure I threw that out. My bad. Sorry, not sorry.
I have one of these too. 24-year member?
Just talking about my AAA card.
Dang.
That's my discount card, man. I work at Target.
Dang, they already gave you a discount card?
And then I'm taking this pretty red shade right here.
What kind of discounts do you get?
Percentages.
What kind?
10% on like merchandise, and then it depends on the item you're getting.
So
It depends on the year too, because I heard Black Friday we're getting a bigger discount. Oh my god, my voice went.
just on employees?
Yeah,
How much?
like 20%.
That's it?
That's a lot of money. Better than nothing.
At
And
Black
this-
Friday, all the stores are gonna be like 80% off.
No, they're not.
Most of them.
Yeah, let's say the item's 50% off plus an additional 20.
Oh. Why do you say that?
Because Californians can't drive for save their life. And then I'm taking this shade right here. I'm just using the same brush because all of them are the same tones. They're just literally different shades. Oh my god, this shade's really pretty and I'm surprised that it's that pigmented because I'm not even packing it on top of like concealer or any of the primer. I'm literally just packing it on top of the pre-existing shadow I have on there, and it's really pigmented, so I really like this palette. So then I'm taking the, what is this called again? P. Louise, my bad. I was gonna say La Base Pro, but we're not using face primer yet, so. Haha, joke's on me. And I'm taking a little pea size and I'm just putting it on the back of my hand. This is in the same shade too, Rumor. And then I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer brush. Because the Wet n Wild concealer brushes are honestly so good for cutting out your crease. Whether it's a half cut crease, a full cut crease, any type of cut crease. This is your brush. What is this called? Salmon Peach shade. It's like a foiled shadow, so that's why I'm applying it to my lid, because I like foiled shadows on my lid. It's like a copper kind of, it looks like almost. Like a peach. It looks like peach, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty. Pretty cute. Back in with the second red shade that I use. And I'm just blending out my outer corner. And then I'm using this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Mocha Twist. And then I'm going to put on my eyelashes and I'll be right back. And this is it for this YouTube tutorial. And if you like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up down below. And if you haven't subscribed, do it now. Anyways, bye. See you in my next video.